Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, Modest Transformation. In today's content, I'm going to show you guys how to do a romantic date night makeup look. Very easy, very simple, also flawless, and it's going to give you the look that you have never imagined. So let's get into the video. Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste. In today's video, we're going to be doing a date night makeup tutorial, which you guys can look very beautiful, flawless, and also can be exciting. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to achieve a flawless night out for 2024. Stay tuned. My dress is flowy. I have a white and navy bluish color in it. So I'm thinking just kind of keep it like a smoky eye, not do it too much. So I'm going to use my dark brown hard in my Nude Me color eyeshadow palette. I'm going to start on my right side of my eye, and I'm going to blend my color out, and I'm going to apply. I'm going back and forth. I already did my concealer and primer, so I just want to go ahead and get straight into the video. So the primer I use is a Vaseline for my face to keep it moisturized, and I let it soak in and let my face be moisturized. So that's what I do. My next color, I'm thinking just using white to keep it kind of simple. Yeah, I think I'm just going to use white. But I might go on my Nude Me palette. So I'm just going to bring out this white, which is in my Rainbow Me eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to probably just do it like that and just kind of bring it down just a little bit. Not all the way. And then I'm going to go back with my Nude Me, and I'm going to probably pick a different eye color style. Let's try mahogany. I'm going to use mahogany, and I'm going to apply that right in there in the middle. And I'm going to use a little bit of, I can't see you guys, I'm sorry, Hypnotic. This is in the Nude Me palette. I'm just going to apply a little bit, give it a little purplish color. And keeping it simple. Use my favorite eyeliner, Ruby Kisses, because I wanted to give it more of an edge, but sexy. So I'm just going to do that. And I'm going to draw my liner out. So we have that, and then we're going to go ahead and put the concealer on. I forgot to let you guys know the lashes that I am wearing in this video. It is the I Envy Royal Silk, and the name is called Princess. It looks very natural. I don't know if I Envy have it on their site anymore, but I think you can order through Amazon. I think it's like $6.99. But these are some nice lashes, and they are really, really natural looking. So they're like your real lashes. I'm going to finally use my contour cream. I don't really use contour. I don't really need it, but I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to draw it out. I don't even know what the heck I'm doing, but just bear with me. Trying to get the cheekbones. And I'm going to use my concealer. Now, I really don't use all that makeup like that because I don't really need it. And then two, I have sensitive skin, so I try to avoid heavy products on my skin. So I really just do foundation and concealer, and I just put my lashes on, or you know, I really just get my eyebrows done, and I don't need to do no makeup, but I just try to keep it, you know, the glamour look. And setting spray by the one and only e.l.f. I gotta buy me some more soon. I'm trying to use all of that first. So I did the little contour, and I do have blush, but it kind of breaks me out, so I'm going to avoid that. So I'm going to use my eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to put a little right there, and I'm going to blend it out. So I'm going to use this brush here, and I'm going to blend out my contour. I guess I can see the difference. Like my face looks, on this side looks swollen than this one, and it kind of enhanced more. That makes sense. Now I'm going to use this opposite brush here, and I'm going to blend underneath my eyes. And it just goes in very simple. Alright, that's it. And then my favorite is my eyeliner. So the color is like a dark bluish color. So I'm trying to see. I guess I can use this teal color. That's like more romantic. Or should I use white? Or dark brown. Maybe dark brown this time, because it's date night, so I don't want to be too wild. So I'm going to apply the dark brown here. This is also Ruby Kisses. This is the deep brown. This is the auto twist. I love the dark brown. The black, no, it don't work for me. I look crazy, really crazy. And I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara towards the bottom of my lash line. I'm going to use my favorite highlighter. This is going to give it a little bit of sparkle. So I applied a little there, because trust me, it do show up really, really good. I'm going to put a little bit more, because I don't want to overdo it like I did before. And apply. I'm going to put some on my nose. Oops. Okay. Maybe I could put some on top of my eye. Oh yes, that looked pretty. Oh, that looked good. I'm going to take some of that off. What you guys think for date night? I'll be right back. I'm going to show you guys the full results. And look, and this is my date night makeup look. But I'm missing one thing, and I'm going to show you guys. Okay, transformation, I hope you guys did enjoy my makeup tutorial. Very simple, very easy. I have the blush, I have the shimmer, I have the lashes, I have the eyebrows, and don't forget the eyeshadow, most importantly, and the eyeliner. So this is my romantic date night look. So I hope you guys did enjoy. Don't forget to leave comments below, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. And let's get up to 11,000 subscribers. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Well, that is the end of the video. I want to say thank you guys for watching my content. I hope that this tutorial made you ladies feel really good about yourself, self-confidence, and have fun. This channel will be about having fun and evolving and transforming. So this video here was a very fun one for me. So I hope that I inspired a lot of you. So let me know, comment down below if you want me to do more videos like this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let's get to 11,000 subscribers. Bye.